on my way, Karen. I just need to grab a quick, healthy lunch first.
Looks like Jessica's going to the rally. Yes, I know, Phil. Yes, Phil, I want to save the trees too, but I understand that. Ugh. Okay, fine. Go with her. You're such a social butterfly. Wait a minute. What the? Phil! Avert your eyes! Oh no, 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 no! Plant saving for one day, Phil. Let's skip the rally and get some nice, juicy steaks.
So how was lunch? Definitely not as healthy as I thought it would be.